Hey Aggies, today's writing assignment is super exciting and it has everything to do with all things spooky. So congratulations, you have just been hired as New Mexico State University's haunted house selling agent. How exciting! You are now responsible for creating and selling a one-of-a-kind haunted house. Here's what you're working on this week. It's super important that you do finish your haunted house graphic organizer today so you are ready for our writing portions next week. Let's take a look at what you need to complete today. On slide number 2, you are going to see a graphic organizer that's going to help you form your thoughts and all of the things that you want to include in your haunted house writing. Only today you are going to be thinking of keywords that you want to include in your writing. So you aren't going to be forming any paragraphs today. You are just going to be thinking of all of the things that you want to include in your writing. So I'm looking for you to include those keywords into your graphic organizer. First thing you're going to want to do is give your haunted house a name. You'll give it a name by typing into the box that you see on your screen. In this box over here, you're going to see featuring. Now, this box is for you to put some highlights, some things that are going to stand out to a buyer for your haunted house. So think of some maybe special features that your haunted house may have. Maybe it has everlasting fog, or it has spooky ghosts 24/7 all throughout the day. Those are going to be some key things that are going to stand out and really make your haunted house worth wanting to buy. You are also, over in this box, going to list where it's located. You can be as creative as you want with the address. Make sure you have a street number, a street name, give it a city and a state, and you can even make up your own zip code. Try to make it super spooky. Sold by is going to be you. You are the selling agent of this haunted house. Next thing I want you to fill in is some information about the property's very first floor. So think about some keywords that we might see on that first floor, hear, feel, taste, or smell. Remember, I do not want you to write full complete sentences. Maybe just think of some keywords or key phrases that are going to help describe the very first floor. You're also going to head to slide 3 today, where you will be doing the exact same thing for the second and the third floor. Make sure you're being as creative as you possibly can, and you're really making your property listing as enticing as it can be. You want your haunted house to be the #1 seller on the block. Have fun!